Eid-ul-Fitr Salah is a special prayer performed on the day of Eid. Let's learn how to pray it correctly. It is performed in the mosque, Eidgah, or open area after sunrise before Dhuhr prayer. The prayer consists of 2 rakats, but it is different from regular Salah because it includes extra takbeers. Begin by making the intention in your heart for Eid Salah. First rakat, 3 extra takbeers. After the opening takbir, say Allahu Akbar 3 more times before reciting Surah Al-Fatiha. Second rakat, 3 extra takbirs before ruku. In the second rakat, recite Surah Al-Fatiha and another surah, then say Allahu Akbar 3 times before going into ruku. Eid Salah is followed by a khutbah. After completing the prayer, listen to the Imam's khutbah. It is sunnah to take a bath, wear nice clothes, eat before prayer, and say takbir before Eid Salah. After the prayer, greet others with Eid Mubarak and spread joy among friends and family.